wonderful elementary students. Welcome back to New Guardian News. We are here. Today we are going to review the New Student Social. So Emily, what is the New Student Social? Well, the New Student Social is a party where new students can interact with other new students. Say what? And if you've been wondering when it was held on August 29th. So you mean it was held on Michael Jackson's birthday? Anyways, back to topic. So, who organized the program? Drum roll, please. Hit the table. Miss Smith. Let's give Miss Smith a round of applause. Now Emily is going to interview Miss Smith and see what she thinks about the New Student Social. Hey guys, I'm here with Miss Smith to interview about the New Student Social. So Miss Smith, what was your favorite part about the New Student Social?
I had two favorite parts. One, of course, was meeting all of our new students. And my second favorite part was seeing the Guardian Ambassadors really taking their leadership seriously by setting up and cleaning up and walking around and meeting all the new students and talking with everybody and socializing and really making our new students feel welcome.
That's great. So now, about how many new students came?
Wow, there were about 110 people there.
Wow.
And that was just the students. There were also about 15 to 18 teachers who came. It was a big crowd.
Yeah, lots of new students. Okay, now what is the purpose of the New Student Social?
So the purpose of the New Student Social is to welcome all of our new students to YISS. We have it at the beginning of the year every year because we really want our new students to feel like valued members of the community right from the beginning.
That's awesome! Let's thank Ms. Smith for interviewing.
Bye!
Wait, so you mean the purpose of the New Student Social was to socialize and give a welcoming party? Well, yes. Thank you for listening to Emily and Trinity. Bye!
Today we will be talking about the Chuseok holiday we celebrated.
For starters, Chuseok is a Korean holiday which was celebrated on September 13th this year. During Chuseok, people celebrate by meeting with their family and they eat scrumptious food like songpyeon, which is a sticky rice cake. They also eat hangwa, which is made up of rice flour, honey, fruit, and roots.
Did you do anything fun over Chuseok break?
Yeah, I went to my cousin's house and played fun games and ate yummy food with them.
Cool, now we will be interviewing a third grader on what they did over Chuseok break. Now we will be interviewing Siobhan. What did you do over the Chuseok break?
So I went to Okinawa, Japan. There are three highlights of my trip. One is a mega zip all over Okinawa, and it was super pretty and super fast. And my number two thing is a glass bomb boat that's like 1 feet, 2 feet, or even 10 feet. And I also went to a jet ski. Well, just telling you a secret, I almost crashed on land. So, yeah.
That sounds really fun. What was your favorite from those three events?
My favorite was the jet ski because while I was riding, I also got to see some fish.
Oh, okay. That sounds really fun.
Hey guys, this is Jiu and Isabella. How do you say hi to a swimmer? I don't know. Wave! Oh, speaking of wave, have you seen the swimming pool after it was renovated? No. Well, I saw the swimming pool. How was it? It was so clean and nice. Show me a picture. The pool is already getting used. Really? Who's been there? PE classes, the high schools, swim teams, and the ASOE swimming students too. Wow, I really want to go. Let's go.
Hey guys!
Do you remember last year's FunFest?
Yeah, it was amazing. Did you play some games?
Of course, did you?
I really enjoyed my class's game because we had to shoot balls into plushie and cardboard mushrooms.
I remember there was a teacher raffle.
And there was so much good food to eat.
Guess what this year's FunFest theme is?
Superheroes!
Will there be anything new this year?
Anything new? This year we're gonna have food booth. on the border, and chakra, Indian food, and what else? That's our focus.
When is the FunFest this year? When is the FunFest?
Oh, this year's FunFest is Friday, October 11th from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Thank you for the interview.
Thank you.
Hi, do you remember the stand-up campaign from last year? This year it's going to be held on October 7th through 18th, and the theme is Choose to Love. High school student Johnny Su created the design for this year's campaign. Let's hear his thoughts of how he designed it.
For this year, I think YISS is going to respond very well to the campaign as they always do in the previous years. So I got no worries about that. And for the inspiration behind my design, it's about helping people who are in need. Like my design came from a visual scene of a person helping another person who has fallen to the ground from being bullied, and they're being lifted up by the people who are standing up for them. So that's the inspiration behind my design. Thank you.
So every day of the stand-up campaign, you get to wear the t-shirt that Johnny designed or any shirt from the past years. Over those 2 weeks, we'll learn about love, and at the end, we'll have an exciting assembly. Hope you have a great time there. Bye!
Hey guys, do you remember the last mismatch day?
No.
It's because you always mismatch.
Ha ha ha. Very funny.
Let's look at some third graders who mismatch.